Did you know that over 50% of online searches happen through a mobile device? Hi, my name is Ashley Yaggie. I'm the Digital Marketing Analyst here at Golden Proportions Marketing. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your dental internet marketing to new patients and your existing patients more mobile friendly. Consumer searches on mobile devices have significantly surpassed that of desktop computers over the last decade. Mobile compatibility is so important that we've made it a priority for all of our clients, and you should too. Here are 4 places to make sure your dental internet marketing is mobile friendly. Number 1, pay-per-click ads. Hopefully your dental practice is already utilizing pay-per-click advertising such as Google or Facebook ads. If you are, you want to make sure these ads are set up properly for mobile devices. Start by setting the correct bid adjustments on your campaign for mobile devices. I can guarantee your searches are highest on mobile. Use geo-targeting, which can show your ads to people who are physically close to your office, or try using call-only ads, which allow people to call your office right away without clicking through to a landing page. Number 2, landing pages. If you have a pay-per-click campaign, you should be using a landing page. Consider using accelerated mobile pages, which are essentially stripped-down copies of an existing landing page. These pages offer faster loading times on mobile devices and will improve your quality score, meaning a lower cost per click for you. Use light images and graphics. By light, we mean small compressed file sizes. Number 3, mobile apps. You can improve your visitor experience with mobile applications. Automated appointment scheduling apps can be added to your landing page for new patients or to websites for existing patients. Consider utilizing a mobile-friendly app that allows patients to pay their bills online, getting you your money faster. Number 4, mobile communication. Patients today love mobile communication. You can send appointment reminders via text message, announce promotions, and even request reviews. Hopefully you've made a personal request for that review in the office, but that text message is great reinforcement. If your dental practice is implementing these mobile-friendly steps, I'm confident you'll see an increase in your new patient numbers. Your existing patients will appreciate these changes too. Being mobile-friendly isn't just something to think about for the future. It's important to implement these changes now. Interested in learning even more about 2019's dental internet marketing trends? Download our free guide today so you can stay ahead of the curve. See you next time!